In front of me is HONOR X7d, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Before we begin, quick disclaimer: you won't be able to add face data if you don't have screen lock. So make sure to set it up and then go into Devices Settings. Now scroll to tap on Biometrics and Password and hit Face Recognition at the top on the left. Enter your current login method I mentioned before. And if you want to enable or disable Raise to Wake feature, use this little icon right next to it. Then tap on Get Started at the bottom right corner, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. When you finished, you can operate all of those options however you want to, but most importantly, make sure this switcher next to unlock is blue, so you'll be able to unlock your smartphone using face recognition. Then go back. So now, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!